Good evening, students and viewers. Today's subject is about education. It's an asset. The word education is a Greek word. Educate means develop within. See, our ancestors lived in the jungle. That was Stone Age. We were uncultured. We were like slaves moving around the jungle along with animals, birds, and all. And used to eat the raw meat and drink water from the streams and roaming in the jungle. After thousands and thousands of years, we passed and we came to electronic stage. Our brain changed. Man invented something for his life. Necessity is mother of invention. Start developing the brain. But one thing you have to understand, now we are living electronic stage, but our brain is still in the stone age. We can identify our fellow human beings. We can identify what is right and wrong. We blindly commit so many mistakes. We forget our brothers and sisters in the case of sex, power, and money. What is a real education means? Mercy, goodness, kindness, love fellow human beings, compassionate heart, sympathy. That is called good education. Some people misunderstood education means a degree in my hand. I am postgraduate. I am an engineer. I am so and so. I am AS. Even if you have so many degrees and diploma, if you have no mannerism, how to deal and cooperate with the fellow human beings, are not able to understand the problem of your friends and your neighbors and your brothers and sisters. There is no meaning of your degrees and diploma. Nothing but that is zero. Education means you should understand the problem of your fellow human beings, your friends, your neighbors, poor man lying on the footpath. Understand the difficulties of a blind man, of a poor man, a beggar. So you'd never be proud of. Highly educated people are always simple and humble. We can understand educated person from his face. He'll be simple and humble. For example, our late President Abdul Kalam, he is highly educated, but simple and humble. Plain life, simple and plain life. It's called education. Certain people have little education, maybe a diploma or inside, they are very proud. I am highly educated. You don't want to show in your face. Everybody can understand you are an educated person from your body language. Sympathy, kindness, and helping hand. A compassionate heart. When you see the problem of a person, you should have sympathy and compassion means you are educated. Share, giving. Giving is most important. If you have surplus asset, give to the poor and needy. It means you are educated. It's education we are become cultured how to live in the modern world. It's a special training by nature. If you are not educated, you are equal to animal. What is the difference between animal? We are also animal, but we have a large brain. We have sympathy, mercy, kindness, love towards human beings, for fellow human beings. Love is the most powerful weapon. We can love one another. Animal can't love one another. Animals only bother about food. They are gazing in the field, searching for grass or any food items. After getting that, that animal is satisfied, he is in sound sleep. But we have so many things to be completed. Education is an asset. We learn about the nature, born different type of things, science. What is the function of sun and moon? How the earth rotates. We've invented and discovered so many things through our brain. But still something shortage. That shortage is shortage of love. You can't love another one. You can't understand the pain of other people. After seeing that, you make a move. So many people lying on the all after accidents. Nobody is taking care. You should immediately rush to the spot and do first aid. Take him to the nearest hospital. Shout for help. That's called good education. I have seen many people just watch and take selfie on their mobile and make a move. That is that the victim lying in the road and struggling for death and life. That time he shuts the spot, shout for help, take a taxi, auto, and admit you nearest hospital, and keep in touch with his relatives if phone number is there. Until he gets recovered from the hospital, he should be there. A group of people should go there. For the time being, you forget your duty and all. That is called good humanity. Animal can't come in the spot to help the poor man or man action. It may come for any rich and poor. In our national highways, so many actions are taking place in the railway while traveling. So many things. That time we want sympathy, kindness, helping hand. You should be a fairy godmother and help that person, console him. Don't worry, God is great, we are here. This type of words is called you have good education. Not don't take selfie and all. What do you mean when you say young men taking selfie of the action victim? What is the meaning? And make a move. I see in so many cities and towns. If you help that victim in the action, you are great because God's mercy passing through your brain, through your heart, then only you can help that patient. So always understand the good value of education. Keep it up. Have a nice evening. May God bless all of you.